Welcome back to the channel, traders. Here is weekly forecast for next week. Today is Friday, the 26th day of June 2026, and as you can see, the market will close in the next 35 minutes. Here is our time. It is just 35.34 seconds. The market will close in the next 35 minutes. So we are here to forecast for next week and know how the market will be like. Let's prepare ahead of time. No time to waste. So as the market is closing, we are still preparing ourselves while we assess our former executions, our former markets. We just watch ourselves, prepare ourselves, know how next week will be like, then know how to follow it. So looking at gold on the weekly time frame, you can see gold is still in a strong bearish trend, and from checking what is happening here now, this candle is also closing bearish. Like this week is closing bearish, telling us that sellers are still in charge of the market. They have taken dominance. They are still in charge of the market, and the buyers haven't taken any control as well. But the funny thing now, or the one interesting thing that happened now, is that buyers tried in securing this psychological zone of 4,000, like 400. Look at it. So I said it in one of my videos. So sellers push it down, put across this psychological zone, trying to break it, but buyers didn't accept it. They tried securing this psychological zone now, pushing it up to this extent. Though the market haven't closed, anything can happen. Sellers could even push it down further and close around here. You know how gold used to do. Anything can happen, and the market will, and this candle will spike, close around this place. We don't know. But or even reverse and close around here. We don't know. But from what we are seeing now, the momentum is bearish overall. So we are now in a bearish trend. The market is coming downwards. That's just it. But let's go to the 4 hours time frame, where we will see everything clearly and where we can make possible execution and wait for the candle. So as you can see now, buyers try their best in pushing up to this extent, but they are this particular resistance level. So they haven't crossed this resistance level. For the fact that they are still around here, it doesn't mean that they have done anything tangible that could say they are taking dominance or the market is reversing. So they are still like consolidating around here now with the sellers. Sellers and buyers are concerned until buyers push across and break. Okay, let's use here as our first resistance level. Let's use this place. Then see our main support level here now. So here is our main support and resistance level. You get until buyers push and any candle close above this particular line, then you will say that buyers are trying to make something serious. But here is the main resistance level, whereby if any candle close above this one, then you will say that buyers have done something tangible, like they are taking dominance of the market. They are trying to reverse the trend. That's just it. Then the moment any candle close above this one, is likely to push further up to this extent. And if any candle close above this particular resistance level now, obviously is going further to this place, and the next place is this particular place. A lot of things happened. Look at it, this particular region. So the moment any candle close above this particular side now, then that's a bullish continuation, a bullish reversal. We are continuing in our bullish trend. But for now, the overall structure is bearish. You get, for now, overall structure is bearish. So we are still in a bearish. This could be, we can regard this as just a pullback for another bearish movement, for a great launch where the market will now cross this psychological zone. See this 400. See it here is showing well on this. It's showing well on this particular 4 hours time frame. You see it here. That's our psychological zone, this 400. So this could be just a pullback for another bearish launch, and which is if the bearish launch, if we see rejection counters here showing that the market is coming bearish, it will definitely break below this one. It will definitely break below it and come around this side, continuing in a bearish movement. That's just it, guys. So my advice always is for you to have patience and make confirmations before you make your execution. Make confirmations, see clearly, see very well, have clear reasons why you want to make any execution. Have clear reasons. For instance, had it been you bought here, you would have seen that we had several rejections. We had several rejections here. See them. So there's a clear sign that the market is pulling back up. That's what this signs means. So had it been you place a buy execution here or even here, you would have made little profit with this little pullback. Then until if you see similar things around here too, see them, see it before it went down. After this push up, you saw this rejection, this one, see it, several rejections, weak candles and shooting stars and dodges. You saw them, all of them showed here, telling you that this thing is going nowhere. That's why you saw this candle coming here with impulse move, pushing downwards. That's just it. The same thing, similar thing happened here. The market pushed up here with impulse move, with aggression. The thing, we saw sharp rejection here, rejected. Even though it made an aggressive jump, reach here, the same thing continued until we see this rejection here, this upper weak rejection and this pullback. The thing continued like that, coming down. So wait for confirmation around here. Until you see your confirmation, then you will now know whether we are continuing upwards or we are continuing downwards. That's just it, guys. So patience is the key. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you find this video interesting and supportive to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also set your notifications so that whenever I drop my video, you know that I've dropped something. You come and watch it. Guys, follow me. You will make clear execution and you will make profit very well in this gold. Remember, the market, gold specifically, enriches patient traders while punishing the greedy ones, the impatient ones. So once you have your patience, and always trade with stop loss, it's better you lose small amount of your money than having a blown account. That's just it, guys. So that's my advice always and suggestions for you. Thank you. Good luck. See you in the next video.